For the hottest and coolest products out there, look no further than Cool Tools. We invest lots of time and money in our in-home appliances. So for those of you out there with stainless steel products in your home, it's important to know how to properly care for them. But have you ever tried fixing it with diamonds? If you're starting to see scratches or wear and tear on any of your stainless steel appliances, it's time to try ScratchPro. In just 3 simple steps, the ScratchPro kit can help you renew that dull or scratched up sink. Start by removing the scratches, then buff the area vigorously and finish the job off with some polish. Oh, and did we mention that the buffing compound uses diamonds? The best part, it can all be done yourself. No special equipment or experience necessary, and your sink will be looking shiny and new. For more information on ScratchPro, visit HouseSmartsTV.com.